What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best mobility scooters to buy right now. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. A heavy-duty four-wheel mobility scooter is a mobility device specifically designed for individuals who require a higher weight capacity and enhanced stability. These scooters offer several key features that cater to the needs of larger individuals and ensure a comfortable and efficient ride. One important feature of heavy-duty mobility scooters is their impressive weight capacity, which can reach up to 227 kilograms. This high weight capacity allows for increased support and stability during use. The scooters typically come equipped with a comfortable seat that includes armrests, providing a pleasant and supportive riding experience for the user. Additionally, they offer a maximum speed of up to 29 kilometers per hour, enabling users to travel quickly and efficiently. Heavy-duty mobility scooters are equipped with flat-free, non-marking vacuum tires, ensuring a smooth ride across various terrains. These tires contribute to the overall stability and performance of the scooter. Some models of these heavy-duty mobility scooters feature LED lighting, enhancing visibility in low-light conditions and promoting user safety. These scooters can be purchased through various medical equipment retailers and online marketplaces, providing accessibility and availability to potential users. They are an excellent option for individuals in need of a mobility device with a higher weight capacity and enhanced stability. The combination of a comfortable seat, flat-free tires, and LED lighting in some models ensures a safe, comfortable, and enjoyable riding experience. The Pride Revo 2.0 is a mobility scooter that combines comfort and durability, offering a range of features designed to enhance the user's experience. With a weight capacity of up to 181 kilograms, this scooter accommodates a wide range of users, providing stability and support. One notable feature of the Revo 2.0 is its 51-centimeter seat, which offers superior comfort during extended rides. The scooter also boasts a top speed of 8 kilometers per hour, allowing users to travel quickly and efficiently, whether indoors or outdoors. The Revo 2.0 features a compact yet robust design, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces while maintaining durability. It is available in both three-wheel and four-wheel models, providing users with options to suit their specific needs and preferences. To ensure a smooth ride, even on rough terrain, the Revo 2.0 incorporates the ComfortTrack suspension system, which absorbs shocks and vibrations. This feature enhances the scooter's stability and allows for a more comfortable experience, regardless of the surface. The Pride Revo 2.0 can be purchased through various medical equipment retailers, offering accessibility and availability to potential users. With its emphasis on comfort, durability, and customizable options, the Revo 2.0 is an excellent choice for individuals in need of a reliable and comfortable mobility scooter. The golden Buzzaround CarryOn scooter is a folding portable power scooter designed to provide convenience and mobility to users. With its compact size and lightweight construction, it offers users the flexibility to take it along wherever they go. This scooter is particularly suitable for individuals seeking a reliable and easily transportable mobility solution. Featuring a user-friendly design, this folding scooter offers a range of features to enhance user experience. It typically includes an adjustable tiller, allowing users to customize the scooter to their preferred comfort level. Additionally, it is equipped with a full front and rear lighting package to ensure visibility and safety during nighttime use. With a weight capacity of 136 kilograms, this scooter accommodates a variety of users. The Buzzaround CarryOn scooter also boasts a healthy battery system, providing peace of mind to users who rely on their scooter for daily outings and activities. It offers long-lasting battery life and eliminates concerns about running out of charge while away from home. In summary, the golden Buzzaround CarryOn scooter is a portable power scooter that prioritizes convenience, reliability, and user-friendly features. Its compact size, adjustable tiller, extensive lighting package, and healthy battery system make it a suitable choice for individuals seeking a versatile and easily transportable mobility solution.